KY to helmets. Motul, motor oil. Biker's pad. Gentry. Putting meat on ice before boiling can help ensure a more even cooking process and maintain its texture. Chilling the meat slows bacterial growth and helps it retain moisture during cooking. Ideally, it's best to let it sit in the refrigerator to thaw slowly if it's frozen, but if you're using ice, make sure it is well sealed to avoid any contamination. Once the meat is cold but not frozen, you can proceed with boiling it as desired. Season your meat with a mixture of herbs, salt, and pepper to enhance its flavor. Then, continue cooking as desired, whether grilling, roasting, or pan-searing, until the meat reaches your preferred level of doneness. Once the meat is tender and has finished cooking, allow it to rest for about a minute to let the juices redistribute, which will enhance its flavor and tenderness. After resting, slice the meat against the grain for the best texture and serve. Heat a bit of olive oil or butter over medium heat. Once hot, add finely chopped onions and saute until they become translucent. Then, add minced garlic and sliced mushrooms, cooking for an additional 5 to 7 minutes until the mushrooms are tender and lightly browned. Season with salt, pepper, and any herbs you desire for added flavor. Adding sliced bell pepper will not only enhance the aroma of your dish but also contribute a subtle sweetness and vibrant color. Once you mix the bell peppers thoroughly with the other ingredients, pour in your broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. This will allow the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a deliciously fragrant and flavorful dish. Adding cooking milk to your dish enriches the flavor and texture, creating a creamy consistency that enhances sauces, soups, and casseroles. It can also help to balance spices and provide moisture, making the final dish more satisfying and flavorful. After adding your meat to the sauce, allow it to boil for an additional 8 to 10 minutes to ensure the meat is heated through and absorbs the flavors of the sauce. Just be mindful not to overcook it, as this can affect the texture depending on the type of meat used. Using Knorr mushroom soup as a substitute for cooking cream is a budget-friendly choice that can still deliver a rich, savory flavor to your dishes. Just keep in mind that the texture might be slightly different, so you may want to adjust the recipe's liquid content accordingly. Creating your own version of Lengua and cream mushroom sauce must be a rewarding culinary experience. A fresh and vibrant touch of basil and basil pesto sauce enhances a dish by providing flavors and aromatic herbal notes that complement the main ingredients well. If you enjoy the content, liking and sharing helps support the channel and reach a wider audience. Thank you and God bless all.